Hi YouTube, so in this video I'll be swatching these King Art colored pencils, the 72 set. I got it from Ross for $19.99. $72 colors, beautifully arranged. I must say, these pencils are quite pigmented for its price. Seeing as they came from Ross, I was sort of expecting something less. Though I have one concern though. Some of the colors don't match. As you can see, this sepia appears as green when sepia is I've always known it as a brown color. And this dark brown appears as red. And this Scarlet Lake appears like a peachy color, so I'm used to it being red. So that's my only complaint. Otherwise, I do like how pigmented these are. So I recommend for those on a budget. Thanks for watching.